Okay, so the point of this video is how any guy can look attractive. So my transformation, I went from probably a 2 or 3 out of 10 to probably a 7 or an 8 out of 10. And now I'm just getting started with my transformation. I believe I can go a lot further with my looks, my appearance, my muscles, clothing, accessories, and so on and so on. So in this video, I'm just going to talk about things you can do, you can start doing today to look just so much better. And the first thing I want to talk about is something you can literally do right now. You can go to the barbers and get your hair cut. If you've got long hair, it's untrimmed, the sides are long, and basically it just looks like a mess, you need to go and shave the sides off. If you shave the sides of your head, your face is going to look a lot leaner, a lot more masculine. If you can grow a beard and it fills out, do that as well. Unless you're super lean and you've got a good jawline, then shave it off completely. So for me, my jawline's, I'd say, pretty decent, but I can grow a full, all the way around beard. That looks better for me, so that's what I'm doing. It's completely subjective. If you can grow a beard, do that. If you can't grow a beard, clean shave and drop your body fat percentage. You need to be lean. If you're overweight and you have a clean shave, you're probably going to look like an obese baby. So yeah, that's step one, hair and beard. That's something you can do today. What I ask for in the barbers is just a skin fade. Dead simple, dead easy. They start at the very lowest setting, where it's basically no hair, and then they work their way up. They blend it to the top. It's probably not the best day to wear a hat, but I'll put a picture up anyway so you can see me with a skin fade. Okay, so next up is posture. This is something you can start doing right today. Check out my video on how to mew if you want to actually find out exactly how to do it. You can start doing that today, and that will just increase your appearance instantly. So none of this looking down at your phone, this forward neck posture doesn't look good. Something people notice straight away. If you walk in a room and your posture's bad, they're going to notice that. If your chest is up, you know, your neck's back, your shoulders back, taking up space in a room, you know, legs are wide, arms out, you look a lot more confident instantly. Start doing that. Clothing. So everyone should have a decent wardrobe. You should have fitted jeans, none of this baggy jeans, that doesn't look good. A decent pair of shoes, so you want smart shoes, casual shoes, shoes for the gym, Nikes are always good, a tight t-shirt, different colours. Don't worry about branding. Branding is extremely overrated. If you're wearing unbranded clothes, it gives you that mysterious look about you. People don't understand what you're about, who you're representing. Just keep it plain. Colours that suit you. I suit dark green, I suit black, I suit grey. I stick to them colours. My wardrobe is very basic, so find colours that suit you. I'll put up some examples of some outfits you can start buying, and just keep it very simple. Don't try and overdo it with bright colours. Sometimes you can just absolutely ruin your look with that. Just keep it simple, don't worry about brands. So next up, and this complements everything, is going to the gym. You want to start building muscle. So it's a lot more simple than people think to build muscle. It's very overcomplicated online, but what you can start doing is go in the gym 3 days a week. Don't say you haven't got time. Everyone has got time for 3 hours a week. How many hours are there? I can't even be asked to work it out. There's hundreds of hours in a week. I'm asking you for 3 hours to dedicate yourself into the gym. Full body program. So you want to do a push movement, a pull movement, and you want to hit your legs and you want to hit your arms as well. It's honestly that simple. So pull-ups for back, for example, for chest, a pushing movement, so incline press. For shoulders, maybe standard shoulder press. For legs, a squat. And you want to try and improve the weight or the reps every single week, and stop eating shit. Stop putting shit foods into your mouth. If you're eating shit and going to the gym, you might be able to build some muscle, but you're probably going to be fluffy. You're probably going to be around 15 to 20% body fat, and your face is going to show the fat. It's going to hold in your cheeks. So you want to be lean as possible and get as strong as possible. So you're making lean gains. The leaner you are, the better the jawline looks, the better your posture is. All round, everything's better. Your clothes look better when you're leaner. Don't eat shit. Train hard in the gym, full body, 3 days a week, but give it a few months and the transformation will be absolutely crazy. If you dedicate yourself, if you're consistent, if you're not eating shit foods, if you're training hard, if you're progressing, so hold yourself accountable, keep a log, and I've got a program if you want to buy that, it's up to you. I'll put it in the link below. It's just a simple push-pull legs. I'll work on a full body, I'll release that soon. But my advice, if you haven't got much time, 3 days a week, full body. Next up is, camera just randomly started not focusing. So next up is just going outdoors more, getting more sunlight. I'm a very pale person. I've got ginger hair, ginger beard, eyebrows aren't very visible, but getting sunlight every day, it really does help. You don't look like a zombie who hasn't slept in 7 days. 10 to 30 minutes a day, just go outside, go on a walk, get your steps in. This will also complement that lean physique by staying active. It means you can eat more foods. Remember to keep it clean as well. I should have really stressed how important it is to eat clean foods. It really does help improve your appearance. Also, if you've got bad skin, if you're eating shit foods, it's just gonna make your skin 20 times worse. So yeah, walks every day, keeping foods clean. Next up is accessories. So buy yourself just some necklaces, something for the wrist. Most people suit silver, but don't buy fake, you know, metal looking shit. You wanna buy actual silver, so save up for that, buy a silver necklace, maybe a silver watch, silver rings. Me, myself, I don't suit it that much. So I just wear like just black stuff. I don't know why. It looks pretty good on me, so I'll stick to that. So find what accessories suit you. It can really complement what you're wearing, your outfit and your physique as well. So thanks for watching. This has been your boy Ollie Martin. So you probably know me from TikTok, where I just talk about jawline. That's just not just my personality. A lot of people make a joke saying my personality is my jawline. No, I've got a lot of other shit going for me, believe it or not. So let me know what you want to see next. I can talk about anything. So peace, thanks for watching. And if you're not subscribed, you better hit that button. That's a wrap.